Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Today I am here to do a story time about how James Charles, the one and only James Charles, rejected me. A couple of weeks ago, James Snapchatted me and he was like, I want you to draw my makeup look for me. So me being in the middle of a restaurant, I was like, okay, sure, my dinner's right there, but I'm gonna do it for you, baby. So I came up with this really fun purple blue polka dot realness fantasy. And I was like, oh my God, can't wait to see it on his face. And then a couple of days ago, James uploaded his My Friends Draw My Makeup Look video. And I'm so honored because finally, Charlie D'Amelio, Dixie D'Amelio, Lorraine, and myself have something in common. We got rejected by James Charles. James ended up going for 4 incredible other looks, and the rest of us were left hanging. No, I'm kidding. This video is all in good fun, of course, because basically what I want to be doing today is recreate my own look that I created for James's video because I really had so much fun drawing it in Snapchat, making it fun. And yes, at the end of this video, I will FaceTime James Charles to see how he responds to my rejection and to this look. Let's go. All right, let's get this polka dot realness started. Oh my God, wait, I gotta do my before for the TikTok. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, I'm almost at 1 million followers. And it's like having a new baby that's growing up and I'm so proud and it's so much fun and it has totally sparked my interest for makeup times 10 because I feel like I'm re-inspired again. So let me just do a before, okay? Yes. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime because not to prime is a crime. And I'm using the Prep and Prime MAC Skin Refined Zone Treatment. For foundation, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution XX. XX? I don't know the name of this. The foundation looks like this. I think the color is FX1. Ooh, by the way, your girl got a brand new piercing. This baby right here. I got it a couple of days ago and I am living for it. I honestly felt like this is like my show ear and this is like my basic bitch ear. And with this ear, I feel like there was emptiness right there in the center, so no more. Honestly, this foundation slaps, honey. Oh, I didn't color correct. Oh, Jesus. For concealer, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer. Honestly, such a banger. All right, and then using some loose powder, I'm just gonna set my entire face. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, darling. Brows are on and looking very snatched and in place. And now it is time to do the first, polka dot eye. And I must say that the color that I chose in my Snapchat, I've never seen in an actual shadow in real life. So I'm gonna try something else. Before we get to any shadows though, it is time to prime the lid and I am using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Light 1. The first color I'm gonna go in with is by the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and I'm taking this purple. And I did wing that shape out quite a bit, so let's just start off with that right away. Grab the look by the balls and show it who's boss. Okay, and then we're gonna drag it into the lid. Drag it in there. See the shape? Woo! And we're just gonna move this along all the way towards the inner portion of that crease. But see how by just taking a bigger brush and just softly sketching that shape in, it already does half the work for you. Beating the system. Okay, we're gonna bring this inwards. Woo! Yes. Bring it in here. Okay. And basically once I have that shape, whatever is left in the brush, I just start applying soft circular motions to the edge to diffuse everything and make it soft, and it's really doing it.
With a little bit of a fluffier brush.
Okay, with a little bit of a fluffier brush, I'm taking the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette, and I'm taking a mixture of these two right here. Like I said, that purple that I drew in Snapchat, I've never seen him in real life, so I'm just gonna make it more pink. And we're just gonna haze out that outer edge slightly. Nothing crazy, just a little smudge of pink. And I actually envisioned the lid just being one color and then the polka dots adding the contrast. So I'm just taking that same purple that we started off with and I'm just gonna literally smack this on top of the lid. Then on this bare inner corner, a pop of bright yellow. Ooh! Oh my God, I love that. Oh my God, yes, that is everything. Whew, itchy nose from excitement. I think let's do the polka dots last. So we're moving on to the lower lash line. I'm grabbing a liquid eyeliner to extend the inner corner of my eye. Going back in with that purple, that Juvia's Place, and just smacking it on that lower lash line on the outer corner and connecting it to the top portion here. Just swooping it in. And then I'm hopping over to a bright ass royal blue to change things up a little bit. A pop of liquid white liner right here in between that gap, and then let's polka dot it out. I've never tried polka dots on the lid because usually I just slap rhinestones on. So I think my technique for today is to grab my liquid white liner and sort of paint the top of a small eyebrow pencil lid and then stamp that onto the eye. Please don't fail. Please don't fail. I mean, sort of. Oh my God. Oh my God. This doesn't feel right. Not the greatest. Well, okay, something obviously needs to happen because this is not it. Oh, that looks so bad. Oh, it looks really bad. Okay, is it time to just stick rhinestones on this? I think it's time. So bad. I think I'm making it worse. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do my other eye and pop some big lashes on, and that will save this. Okay, the eyes are done, and oh my God. In the end, I love it. It looks nothing like my inspiration picture. These are definitely not polka dots, but it's giving you the vibe of the photo, and I'm here for it. I'm living for it. James is gonna read my ass when he sees this. Okay, it is time to get this face together and complete the look and eventually end up with a smile on our face. Okay, I'm just gonna take my bronzer. Already did my forehead a little bit because of the hair situation, but we're just gonna warm up the face even more and chisel. For blush, darling, I'm going into the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. I have been loving this right here. And I usually take these two colors right next to each other and go to town. That nose? Like, how am I able to breathe? It is snatched. There is something so magical and like laid back, but really not being laid back at all about having like a full crazy makeup look and then a hoodie. It's like so casually slaying everyone in the room or anybody who's watching you. It's like, oh yeah, I didn't try at all, but then the face says hello. Okay, then for highlighter, I have just been obsessed with Space Baby, the one I created myself in collaboration with Ofra. It is a purple blue reflex. It is stunning and it will go perfectly with these crazy eyes, so let's hit it. It's just, it never gets old. Every time I put this on, I'm like, oh. All we need is like a juicy, fresh lip. Okay, so I'm gonna line these lips real quick. Okay, once I've lined, I'm going in with my favorite nude lipstick at the moment. Okay, then I'm popping a little tiny bit of red lipstick on the center of the lip. Her nice little gradient. And then popping this Nebula Shine Theory lip gloss in District on top. All right, let's set this face and call James. Okay, the moment of truth is here. Let's see what Sister James has to say about this look. Excuse me, pick up.
Oh, that is good.
I just have one question. Why did you reject my look?
I have one question. It's 8 in the morning. Why are you calling me? Oh my god, that looks so cool, Nikki.
So that is the look that I drew for you.
It looks far better on you than it did on me.
Well, thank
or than
you.
It would have on me. Well, okay, so I Snapchatted a ton of people for the video, and I wanted to do the most full face.
Yeah.
Or so everyone was asking me to do a part 2 already with the look.
Yes. I love how you went, are you okay?
Well, you've been texting me for the last 3 days in a row, being like, hi, please FaceTime. I'm going to FaceTime you in the morning. Oh, well, I'm going to FaceTime you tonight instead.
Well, I didn't want to bombard you with it.
Oh my god. I was like, oh my god, what's going on here? My job.
I was like, I'm dropping my exposed video on the entire community.
Not again.
Not again. And that concludes the video on me recreating / messing up / then saving my own look that I drew for James Charles. And he ended up rejecting me, not choosing my look, so I had to come up for myself. Of course, this video only comes from a place of love. I love James so much, and we good. And yeah, I definitely wanna know what you think of this look. How do you think I did? Would you recreate this? It's like Pride, it's like the Pride after party. For today's Dutch word of the day, thank you so much for commenting on my last one. It has to be for rejected. Afgewezen. Afgewezen. This look may have been afgewezen by James Charles, but at least I rocked it myself. If you want to get featured in the next video, all you have to do is leave the Dutch word of the day down below in the comments. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.